In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install mods in Assassin's Creed 2. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Gently Photoreal Reshade. Download the mod, select slow download option and download this mod. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. And drop all these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination and now you can start the game. Once you are in game, press the home key to open up this reshade menu and click on the drop down in this and select the game location and make it I saved in games folder Assassin's Creed 2. Select the gently photorealistic.ini and right now the effects are enabled. Press the home key to disable this menu and we have successfully installed the reshade for this Assassin's Creed 2. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.